Добър ден, добре дошли на моя YouTube канал. Аз се казвам Илана, аз съм преводач и полиглот. В това аудио или видео днес ще направим двуезичен тест медицински, български, английски език. Първата порция в този тест ще включва около 20 термина на български език. Ще имате няколко секунди да ги кажете на английски език. Втората порция ще включва консекутивен, последователен превод, български английски език, разговор между доктор и пациент. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joanna. I am an interpreter and a polyglot, and in this video of today we are going to do bilingual test, medical consecutive. First portion will include medical terminology, Bulgarian versus English. After each word you will have few seconds. Second portion would be consecutive interpreting practice, Bulgarian English, doctor-patient, scenarrion. Let's start. Бактериална инфекция. Белодробна вентилация. Спирала. Артрит. Инфекция на кръвта. Коляно. Дивертикулит. Утроба. Открита рана. Калий. Патерици. Вазектомия. Капки за очи. Дишане. Анемия. Диагностика. Черен дроб. Удар. Решение. Вена. Артерия. Скарлатина. Варицела. Вирус на паротит. Okay guys, that was the terminology. Now we gonna do consecutive practice. Това бяха думите. Сега ще правим разговор между доктор-пациент. Слушайте и превеждайте в тишината. Hi Georgi, this is Jill the nurse calling you to give you your colonoscopy instructions. Здравейте, Джил, чаках да ми се обадите. You need to have adult to drive you through the procedure and back home after the colonoscopy. Taxi, Lyft, Uber are not allowed and you will not be released if you don't have someone to drive you. Да, зная, благодаря. I sent you the Miralax powder in the pharmacy. This is the liquid prep. Did you take it? Да, аз го взех от аптеката и тук е в хладилника. Okay, very good. Do you take blood thinners? If you do, you have to take them 1 week. You have to stop them 1 week before the procedure. If you have any questions about your medicines and which one to take and stop, you should call at 188-717-4412 option 3. Да, благодаря. Зная, медицинската сестра ми се обади и ми разказа всичко подробно. Okay. So 1 week before the procedure, you must limit fiber food. For example, grain bread, cereal, nuts, seeds, fresh fruits and vegetables, especially 3 days before the procedure. Do not eat any of those. Да, знае, аз съм вече на диета. Добре. So 1 day before procedure, nothing to eat or drink, just clear liquid diet like apple juice, Gatorade, water, no milk, no cream. Да, добре, аз съм вече на диета. At 5 p.m. the day before procedure, you have to take the colon prep. You mix the powder with 32 ounces of water and drink 1 cup, which is 8 ounces, every 15-20 minutes until you finish the liquid. Добре. At 11 p.m., you cannot drink anything after 11 p.m. No gum, no candy, no smoking, no marijuana. Добре, аз не ползвам марихуана. Значи в деня на процедурата трябва да станеш в 3 часа сутринта. Okay. So, day of the procedure, no food. You have to prepare the second portion of the prep mix. Mix it again. Mix the powder with 32 ounces of water. And you have to take 1 cup, which is 8 ounces every 15 to 20 minutes, starting at 3 in the morning. Добре. At 5 a.m. you must be done with the prep. Do not drink anything after 5 in the morning. Добре. At 7 in the morning, if your stool is not clear and soft and watery, please call the colonoscopy department for instructions. Добре. You can take your medicine with 1 sip of water before you come to the hospital. Окей, да, и доктора ми каза кои лекарства мога да пия и кои не. Добре. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat what is clear liquid diet so you know what you can have. Okay. You can have water, black coffee with no milk, no sugar, no cream, or a green tea. Apple juice, Gatorade, or lemonade. Добре. And you can use the sport drinks, the light colors. You can eat gelatin, the light colors, and have a chicken broth. That's for the day before the procedure. Да, благодаря. Any questions? Не, нямам въпроси. Okay, see you tomorrow. And that was everything from this bilingual test. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please do not forget to press like. Благодаря ви, това беше всичко от мен. Аз ви желая здраве. Ако това видео ви хареса, натиснете харесва ми.